Hello viewers, once again welcome on my channel Sir Muzammil Business School. Today I am going to explain case study business AS9609 how you can get 30 out of 30 marks. So I show you sample answer and I selected one case study. Let's start. Before starting case study, I would like to tell something about paper 2. Paper 2 also known as data response paper, and there would be two case studies and you have to attempt all questions. There would be no choice and total marks would be 60, means 30 marks for each case study. Now let's start. I selected one case study. This is from May June 2021, variant 22. Some of you might have done this case study. You can read this case study. I'm just going to give you smart introduction about this case study. Karen is a sole trader who operates service business and it is working from her home laundry service business in town P, and there is some numerical data and then there is some quantitative and qualitative data, and then we move to the questions and I will show you the best answers how you can get 30 out of 30 marks. So let's start from each question. First of all, the first question is always from the definition. Here the definition is define the term service. If you see the marking scheme, it says correct definition, then you can get 2 marks. So what could be the correct definition for a service? It is very simple. It is an intangible activity that a business provides to its customers to satisfy their needs and wants and earn profit. For example, hairdressing, insurance, banking. So you can add any example with the definition, and in this way you can easily get 2 out of 2 marks. Second question is from this case study, explain the term sole trader. So you should be clear the command words define and explain. When it says define, then definition means simply like one or two feature of the definition and add some example. But when it says you have to explain that term, so at least you have to write down 3 features of that business concept. Like it says, it is a business that is owned by an individual. 1 mark you can get it. Only one person has control over the business, then you can also get 1 more mark. And all profit is kept by that person, and same you can get 1 more mark from this content. So if you will write down at least 3 things about that concept, you can easily get 3 out of 3 marks. But if you want to add 1 or 2 more, then it would be more best. So it's marking scheme and sample answer is also given with it. And always remember, B part is always from the numerical topics. Numerical topics could be like very short in your syllabus. There are like hardly 6 to 7 topics where numerical could come. So here numerical question is you have to calculate the HP market share, and you can write down first of all market share formula. Simply current market of the business divided by total market size into 100. So in this case study, there are total 60,000 household, and the percentage of that laundry service is 20%. So take 20%, that means total 12,000 households are using laundry services, and from these 12,000, this business has only 300 households. So its market share would be 2.5%. So if you will not write down percentage symbol, it's okay, but if you will write down even 2.5, this is also accepted. So in this way, you can get 4 out of 4 marks. This question is very, very important. Mostly students are very, very confused in writing 8 marks question, how to answer such questions. So the question is analyze 2 factors which could affect the scale of HB. First of all, you should be clear what does it mean, scale of HB. Scale of HB means simply production related things. How you will write down the answer? Many students are confused. Should we define it? Should we add something? How will we write it? So simply you have to write down 2 factors, and each factor would have 4 marks. How you will write down? Like you say 1 factor can be capital invested. This is knowledge. You will get 1 mark. Then link it with the case study, because if Karen has more investment, she can buy more than 2 washing machines. So washing machine is application, because it is already mentioned in the case study that there are 2 washing machines right now Karen has. So it is saying if you have more capital investment, you can buy more than 2 washing machines. This is application. Here you can also get 1 more mark. This might result in an increase in the number of customer as she would be able to do more laundry at the less time. This is analysis. So remember, one mark is for knowledge, one mark is for application, and another mark is for analysis. As a result, she will make more profit. This is developed analysis. So one point would be like this: one mark knowledge, one mark application, one is analysis, and one is developed analysis. Same you can write down another factor. Another factor can be number of employees, because if she hires new employees, she would not have to do pick and drop laundry from her customer's home on her own. This is again application, because Karen is the only person. She is going to the customer's home and taking clothes from that places. So if Karen will hire more employees, definitely she would not be having these works, so she can do laundry services. So having workers would speed up process of laundry. This is known analysis. Consequently, customers will receive their orders early, which will further increase customer satisfaction. This is develop analysis, resulting in increase in customer, leading to improve business reputation. So this is again like develop analysis. So how the marks would be allocated? Knowledge, application, analysis, develop analysis. Same you will do with the first point, and same you will do with the second point. Then this is short question. Explain one appropriate method of recruitment for Karen to find a new employees to do collection and deliveries. 2 marks. So here 2 marks for application and 1 mark for knowledge. So simply method of recruitment, like you can add Karen can use interview. You will get 1 mark for knowledge. As a method of recruitment, talking face to face will help better understanding of skills. Does he has driving lessons or not for the delivery and collection of clothes? So it is very important. You must have to add application with such answers, because 1 or 2 marks sometime given for the application. So must add application with such short questions. Come to the last question. This is most important questions. Many students are still confused about the answer of this question. So let's start. Evaluate appropriate promotion methods for HB to target the hotel laundry market. 11 marks. Evaluate promotion methods means simply you will choose 2 promotion methods. You have to do the same thing that you did with the B part question. Analyze 2 factors. Here again you will analyze 2 promotional methods, and you add the same thing: knowledge, application, analysis, and develop analysis, and the last 3 marks would be for evaluation. So see, one method of promotion can be personal selling. This is knowledge. Personal selling is a way of promotion. This is knowledge. As Karen is a sole trader and operates on a small scale, this is application. She does not have enough capital to promote her business, so personal services can be cheap and collective method of Karen. This is analysis. She can just go and ask the local hotels if they need any service. This method will allow her better understanding about their potential customers. This is again like level of analysis. So better chances to attract customers, leading to more revenue. This is like 1 point with well developed explanation. Means in this point, knowledge is there, application is there, analysis is there, and same develop analysis is there. Then you will move on to the another point. Another method can be social media. This is knowledge. As Karen has to do lot of work, so might not have enough time to go for personal service. She can advertise on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube from her home in comfort, so she could find more potential customer and save time. This is again analysis, therefore it may lead to more awareness in large market. This is develop analysis, and same increase brand image. If you add it, this is again develop analysis. So again you remember that in the second point you do the same thing: knowledge, application, analysis, and develop analysis. And the last 3 points would be for evaluation. Means evaluation has 3 levels: simple evaluation, develop evaluation, and justified. If you will write down these 3 sentences, 3 contexts, then you can get 3 marks for the evaluation. I recommend personal selling can be more effective method. Then you have to tell the reason Although it is time consuming, but better able to manage deals with hotels based on her discussion with her regarding laundry service. This is develop analysis revolution, and the last is, however, it depends on her communication skills. This is justified. Means if she has good communication skill, then she should go for the personal service. But if she has no good communication skill, then this method would not be suitable. So in this way, if you will write like this, you will get full 11 of 11 marks. This is very important. So always remember, when you are going to evaluate something, add 2 points, write down knowledge, application analysis, develop analysis, and then evaluate it. So thank you so much. If you have any query about business 9609, you can directly text me. You can ask any question.